In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy on your Brother MFC-L2820DW. So let's get started. A copy can be made using the basic scanner over here or the top document feeder in case your document has multiple pages. So before going on the screen over here, let me show you how to input your paper over here in this basic scanner. Put it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side, like that. Then we have to align the document with the top left corner, which means that we simply need to bring until both corners are touching. Then you can close the lid. If you want to use the automatic document feeder on the top, let's say I had 5 pages, could be even 30. You're going to place it facing up with the top part towards the left, glide it until you hear a beep. The printer will automatically know where you have put your printer, over here or over there. Now on your display, you're going to press copy. If you don't see copy, press the home icon and you'll be on the screen. Now we have a few options that we can change. You have quality. By default is auto, but you can select precisely what you're trying to make a copy of. So is it text? Is it a picture? Is it a receipt? Then you have over here magnification. By default is 100%, but if you want to enlarge whatever you're making a copy of, click enlarge or reduce if you want to make it smaller. You have density. This is mostly for contrast. So do you want the copy to have more contrast or less, or by default it's 0, so it will be exactly the way that the page you have input is. And on the top over here you see 01. This is the number of copies. You can add as many as you want. I mean 99 is the maximum. I'll just want 1. Once you're ready, press the start button. Here we go. We got a copy of the document that was above. Now, if you want to scan a document and get the results on your phone, let me show you how it's done. We need to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi network. The same Wi-Fi network has your computer or smartphone. So let's go over here. On the display, we're gonna tap on this Wi-Fi icon on the bottom of the screen. Then you're going to select Find Wi-Fi Network. You're going to wait a few seconds. It will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks around the printer. It will give you a list. You can use the arrows to go up and down, and once you find your Wi-Fi network, you simply need to click on it and then press OK. Type the password. If your password has numbers or symbols, you have a small button over here that you can switch between the different keyboards. Once your password has been typed, press OK. And you'll get the connected confirmation that everything is fine. Press OK. And this is it. All right, once this is done, take your iPhone and we need to download on the App Store the Brother Mobile Connect app. Once you download it, open. This is how the app looks, the main screen. You're going to have all your printers that are connected on the top. If it's the first time you're using this app, obviously you won't have any of these. And you'll have to click on the top right corner to add a printer. Then press Add Machine. Then click on Register Your Machine. Click on your printer. Press Skip, Activate Later, press Maybe Later, press Skip. You're going to have the green check mark telling you that the printer has been added to the app. Press Exit Setup. So this printer has 2 different scanners. Let me show you how to input paper in both of them, and then I'll go on the iPhone and show you how to get the results. So you have a basic scanner. Simply lift this top lid take the paper you wish to scan and we're gonna place it facing down. Now we have to connect this corner of the page with this corner, the top left one of the scanner. So bring both until both are touching. Then close and go on the app. Before going there, let me show you how to input paper on the top. So this is an automatic document feeder, that's how it's called, and it's great if you want to scan multiple pages at the same time. The printer will do all the job. So let's say I have these 2 pages I wish to scan. You can even put 30 pages or more over here, that's not an issue. Okay, align them, place them with whatever you want to scan facing up, like that. And with the top part of the document towards the left, glide until you hear a beep. On the app, you're going to select Scan from the main menu. The printer will detect automatically where the document is located, if it's on the top or on the bottom. You can select if you want the scan to be in color or black and white, the document size, and the resolution. The resolution by default is 300 dpi, but you can go and choose another number if you prefer. The highest the number, the more details your scan will have, and the larger the file will be. At the end, press scan and just wait. As you see here, the printer is taking page by page. You don't have to touch anything. And the pages are appearing one by one on your smartphone. Here we go. It's quite quick. Now, if one of these pages is not what you expected and you want to delete it, there's an X on the top right corner that you can click to delete it. Press done. You'll be able to go through them, select one, zoom in, make sure that all the details you want are there. And at the end, on the bottom, you have Share Save. Click on it. And you'll be able to share it with your favorite contacts, share it on different apps, Messenger, Notes, emails. Or if you go down, you'll be able to print whatever you have just scanned or to save it on your iPhone memory for future usage. So if you click Save to File, you'll be able to save it in a specific folder in your iPhone memory. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. This printer is very easy to use, and yeah, with the app, everything can be done in just a few seconds. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and also check my Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get some ink, some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you go through my links, I get a very small commission from Amazon, and it helps my channel. See you in the next video.